Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, thank you for all your prayers, kind thoughts. I'm feeling a whole lot better. I'm hoping I'm at least, I'm going to say about 90% better. And thanks again for all of your kind words and your prayers. I'm coming to you today in awe, actually. There's this young lady, and this is her page, Scrapcraftastic. I hope I said that right. And in this particular video, and she has others that she actually does the same thing. She takes blank pages with washi tape and creates these gorgeous, beyond amazing spreads. And I wanted to try and emulate that, but I don't have like all of the stickers that she has. She looks like she has books upon books of stickers, and to make it all cute and decorated. So I actually did go to Etsy, and I started looking at some of the stickers. I said, you know what, I don't have time. So let me do this. So this is what I did. Let me see if this. I just started typing out words, because I had seen some of the word stickers that she had when she would flip through the books. Walmart, Target, Kroger, Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works wasn't on that, but that was mine, because that's some of the stores that I visit. I said, well, let me put some of the stores that I visit. Bath and Body Works, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann, Tuesday Morning, these types of stores. And I just started out typing the words, and I just chose a font that I like, and this font is called Script MT. I can't see the rest of it, but that's what this is, and this is in size 20. And so then I thought about it. I said, well, you know what if I want some color? So let's just go get the store logos. And before that, I was looking for icons, so I got this little lady shopping icon. And I also started with YouTube, and that was the first one. I said, let me get the YouTube one, because I'm going to need YouTube. Let me come on thing. I don't like these mouse pads sometimes. I need to get a mouse, actual mouse. And so we all love Dollar Tree. We all love Target. We all go to the grocery store, whichever grocery store is in your area. So I just got a couple of different ones. Like I got the bigger one for Dollar Tree, and then the smaller one with the words in it. So, and that's what I did for Dollar Tree, Target. Got 2 different ones for Publix, 2 different ones for YouTube. I got Etsy, Amazon, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Tuesday Morning, AliExpress, eBay, Walmart, Starbucks. I gotta have my coffee. Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Caribou. And then again, I went looking for icons for a blender. I didn't even think they would be out there, but guess what? There it is. I said, well, let me see if there's something for a meal plan. So there it is, meal plans. But let me tell you this. If you're going to go out and get images like I just did, what I did, let me see if I can pull up one of these. Here we go. Let's go over here. I'm going to go to google.com and type images. Google.com. I go over here to images, which is right there where it was. And then I put in, let's see, what? Let's do something with makeup. Let's do Beauty Bakery. BEAUT. I think it's Baker. BAK. There, Beauty Bakery. And I'm gonna put up here logo vector. V as in Victor. ECTOR. Now, why I do that is because with this image right here, no matter how large, if you copy it, no matter how large or how small you make it, the quality of the image will not change. So these images that I have, these are all vectors. These are all vectors with the color. The ones I want particular cared about the vector ones in these black and white ones, but I was concerned about the color ones. So that's why I picked vector, and that's why you should too if you decide to do this. So I'm going to get all of my things together, but right now I have them in black and white. I printed them on my little black and white laser printer that's on the floor, and really just to test to see if they're going to be large enough or too small, whatever the size is going to be, so they'll fit or not fit, and I know how to adjust them. I started out with this was my Faux Bonichi from 2004, and it's, you know, I have some stuff in it there, but I got some pages that were empty back here, and I was thinking about either using that book or using this book. I don't even know why I bought this book with grid paper in it, but it's a brand new book. I got it from Barnes & Nobles. It was $9.95 when I bought it years ago. So I'm going to be trying that. I'm going to do a markup, and then I'll show you guys, and then I will try to create the pages in front of you using that fast forward deal. Okay, so I'm gonna try that hopefully this weekend. Today is the 10th, January, February, April the 10th, 2019. So I'm gonna try it this weekend to see if I can get it done. Okay, guys. But oh, if you get a chance, go and visit her site too. Scrapcraftastic. I'll put the link in the bottom bar. Okay, guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.